my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, guys, so if you're new here, welcome. My name is Diva Decorating, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, let's get into today's video. Today's video is the collaboration for our Tablescape Sunday. Our Tablescape Sunday is every other Sunday of the month, and if you would like to be a part of our Tablescape Sunday, just contact any of our hosts and co-hosts. Our hosts are Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia, shesobless, me, myself, and DIYing it, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and me, Diva Decorating. Our host for today's Tablescape Sunday is Mysterious Alberta. And Mysterious Alberta wanted us to use the colors gold, white, and black. But if you didn't have these colors, you could use any color that you would like. Now the rules were to upload your Tablescape video on January 26, 2020. Number 2 was to upload your video anytime after midnight on January 26th. You were to use the hashtag Tablescape Sunday 2020, and you were to have fun creating your Tablescape. See, I did use the colors black, gold, and white, and these were things that I already had around my home, and I just only spent $3 on this Tablescape. Now, let's start with this first place setting. Now, the table cloth is actually not a tablecloth. It is actually a curtain. And I picked this up from Family Dollar years ago. And I wanted to use the black and white, and I didn't have anything else, so I thought this would be a nice backdrop for my table. Now, my runner is a black runner, and it is from Big Lots, and it is got the buffalo check, which I wanted to use the solid side of the black because that was a nice contrast to the black and white. So that's why I used that. And the place setting here is a gold placemat, which I picked up from Home Goods a couple years ago, and I believe it was a set of either 6 or 8. I know there were a lot in it, so I don't remember. I think it was 6 or 8. And the plates are all from the Dollar Tree. The black plate is from the Dollar Tree. The gold salad plate with the gold rim is also from the Dollar Tree. The black bowl is from the Dollar Tree. The cup is from a square white plate set that I have. And the flatware, the gold flatware, that's from Walmart. And I just picked that up about a couple months ago. So that's how that's looking. Now, the black smoky glass and the black smoky wine glass is also from the Dollar Tree. I love their glasses and the wine glasses. They are very good quality. They're very thick. Also, their plates and their salad plates and bowls are also good quality. They are very good, thick plates. And over here, I just have a Dollar Tree candle, and I just wrapped some fabric that I had around it and used some Dollar Tree bling wrap. Right here is a leaf napkin that I made, which is actually not a napkin. This is a pillowcase that I cut up into napkins. And it is folded in the leaf pattern. And I don't know if you can see it, but I used the Dollar Tree napkin rings, and I just tied a ribbon around the napkin, and the rings, I just used some ribbon that is glittered gold. Now on this side, I switched it up a little. I have the white plate with the gold rim, the black salad plate, the white bowl, and a black cup. I thought that was kind of neat to change up each side. And on this side, I have the same setup as across. I'll give you a full view of everything in the end. And over here, I just decided to make a menu with this picture frame that I already had from the Dollar Tree, and it's standing on an easel from the Dollar Tree. And our menu, I thought this would be kind of cute and fun. We're going to have appetizers, and the appetizer will be Fuji apple salad, and the entree will be Atlantic salmon, broiled and served with light dill sauce, and the dessert is going to be chocolate cake. And on that place setting side is the same as across from the other one. And here I just have my glasses. These are juice glasses. They were clear, and I just glittered them gold. I had done this project maybe a couple months back, and I'm using them as tea light holders. There's one there, and there's one there. Now for my centerpiece. This centerpiece set came from Family Dollar. I picked this up 3 or 4 years ago. It is a crackled glass, and it's in gold, and I think this is just beautiful. And I decided to glam up my chairs. My chairs, I'm just using the faux fur placemats that I had made, and I just decided to drape them across the chairs. Okay guys, so please remember to go over and check out everyone's Tablescape that's on the playlist. I'm sure you're going to love what you see. We have some very creative people, and don't forget, if you would like to join in on us on our Tablescape Sundays, just please contact either Mysterious Alberta, Cynthia, She's So Blessed, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, which we are all praying for Tammy to get well soon, and Lynn's Lifestyle Living, or myself. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, loves, bye-bye.